Yo, we're fighting Kage! Kage in the house! You are evil! This is the time to bring your evil, Kage! But today's Cinco de Mayo, not a day for evil! So
North
evil,
America.
go away! Go away, evil! The goodness is here! He brings evil to us, huh? Here we go! Let's go! Let's fight the evil! Let's go, Goku! Let's go, Goku! Oh yeah! Goku starts out with some strong attacks! Oh no! Oh no! He got some good hits on us. He got some good hits. He's gonna throw a fireball. He did. He threw a fireball. He definitely threw a fireball. And he did a jump punch. Oh, nice. That hurt. Nice. I got some kick on him. Got him with the throw. He's spark plug right now. Mr. Spark plug. Oh shoot. He got me with the fireball, y'all. Fireball. Oh, I got him with a super fireball right there. Got him with, oh, I thought I had him with a throw. It's all good. It's all good. Here we go, here we go. Gotcha! Gotcha with a throw. He just came up and said, what? I'm gonna throw you. Boom! Got him with a throw. Okay, here we go. Round 2. Let's go. Throw your fireball. Oh, shoot, he did an uppercut. Nice. I can do an uppercut too! See? Show you can! See? I can do a show you can. I can do a parry. Yeah! You like that, huh? You like that parry? Here we go. You're gonna wake up with some uppercuts? Do your uppercuts. Uh-oh, super! Super! Nope! 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 No super, work on me! Why you trying to wake up a super for, huh? Wake up super? Punch ya! Punch ya! Punch, kick, kick, punch, kick. Parry, go! Oh shoot! He didn't attack! He didn't attack! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh no! And the throw! Gotcha! I threw you right back!
Damn it!
Oh wait, hang on. He's not dead yet. Ah! And a little kick! We got you a little kick! Yeah! Kick! Wow!
You win.
You expect a little kick, right? Yes, sir! Ultra thick, says Ray. That thick gorte. Wait, what's a thick gorte? Gordita? Gordita. What? Gorte? What? What? What are you guys talking about? Yes, thick. Gordito masio. What? No thick allowed. Why? Why no thick, man? Thick good, right? Pudgy like thick. Yeah? Pudgy like thick? Thick good, right, Pudgy? Here we go, here we go. Oh, he took a rematch. We took a rematch here. Oh, shoot. Nice uppercut. Good read. Good read on the uppercut. Good read on the uppercut. Oh, shoot. Nice, nice. Oh, throw. Throw was a good read. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Nice. Nice. Oh, we crossed each other up. Ouch. Oh, nice. Good reach on the uppercut. Oh shoot! He bumped. Oh shoot! Oh! Ah! Bueno!
Now you.
That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Bueno, amigo. Alright, here we go, here we go. Oh shoot! He ran and I jumped again. Ouch! Alright, I gotta watch out for his attack. He knows my moves. He knows my moves. Ouch! Nice delay punch. Oh wow! I got hit by his. Wake up! Yeah, I knew he was gonna go in for a throw. Oh yeah! Yeah! That's what I'm talking. Oh! And he saw my. Oh! Oh! Hadouken! Yeah! Oh! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Parry and punch in the corner. We got him.
Final round.
Alright, final round. Let's go. Let's go, Mr. Spot Plug. What you got on me, Spot Plug? Oh no! What you got on me, Spot Plug? Oh shoot! He saw me coming with a jump kick. Uh-oh. Alright, here we go, here we go. This is the last round. You have to be careful. Uh-oh. We got with the throw. Oh yeah, oh shoot. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh shoot, That hurt a lot. That hurt a lot, y'all. That hurt a lot. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh, that was like a raging demon. Oh, I'm dead. Oh no, I'm not dead. Oh! He read my parry! Oh, he got me with the raging demon! Oh, I'm so mad! Kage with the raging demon! Alright, rematch! 1-1! We got one more game, my friend. Don't you dare run away! Let's fight! One more time, mi amigo! One more time! Let's go! Rematch! Yeah, come on, bring it! Let's go! This is Cinco de Mayo! We're gonna celebrate with our victory right here! Let's out! 2 hit! I tried to parry that and I totally missed it. Oh shoot! I messed up my combo. Oh shoot! Empty jump. Oh shoot! He keeps doing those empty jumps. Uh-oh. He's playing very careful. Oh wow, the uppercut connected? How did the uppercut even connect? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Uh-oh. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh no! Easy there, buddy. Oh, easy there. I gotta be careful, Uh-oh. Oh man, that was too easy for him. He knew I was gonna jump. Dang it. Ah, he got me. He figured me out. I don't know what to do. What can I do to beat this guy? I don't know. Give me an Uno reverse card, y'all. I need Uno reverse. Give me Uno reverse, bro. Come on, help me out. I need Uno reverse. I'm gonna lose this match, y'all. Oh man, what? That connected, y'all? It's okay, we got that combo though. Hadouken. He sounds so evil. But I'm sure you're really nice. Just be nice to me. Let me win. Oh shoot! Why are you so evil? Bro? Oh my god! Oh, that connected and the throw, dude. Easy, bro. Come on. Easy. Come on. Oh shoot! Nice. Nah, block. Throw your fireball. Throw your sticking fireball. I'm ready for your fireball. Come on, throw your fireball. Throw your sticking fireball. Throw the fireball. Oh, you do an air fireball, huh? You think that's gonna mix me up? You think that's gonna mess me up? Huh? Oh, shoot! Hang on, he's got super. He's gonna do like Raging Demon on me again. He's gonna do Raging Demon. I can tell. Oh, shoot. He's gonna do Raging Demon on me. I have a bad feeling about this. Oh! Super Fireball! Yes! Oh no! Oh! What? I needed a Uno reverse! What is that? Oh! He defeated me! Oh my gosh! I had that one! So close! What? Ah! Kage! You ruined my day! Oh man! It's supposed to be Cinco de Mayo! I'm supposed to celebrate today! You gotta defeat me like that, bro? Well, good match! I'll catch you next time! Next time!